A stick figure stands in front of a massive wall of messy financial scribbles that feels impossible to understand, then calmly wipes it away in one motion, signaling that everything complicated can be simplified. The cleared space reveals two simple boxes representing two identical financial starting points, showing that complexity was hiding something very basic all along. Two identical stick figures appear, one standing still with empty hands, while the other quietly places a single coin into a jar, showing the first difference in behavior. The scene splits into two worlds, one static and one active, highlighting how small, repeated actions begin to separate outcomes over time. A conveyor belt labeled Time moves through both worlds, carrying coins forward and showing that time affects both equally, regardless of action. On the inactive side, the coins remain unchanged, while on the active side, small duplicates of coins begin to appear subtly, almost unnoticed at first. The active figure stops watching the coins and walks away, while growth continues silently in the background without needing attention. The small accumulation becomes a visible hill of coins, showing how repetition slowly turns into noticeable growth. The hill grows larger over time, while the inactive side remains unchanged, creating a clear visual difference between progress and stagnation. Time accelerates visually as motion lines stretch across the scene, and the growing side expands faster and higher. A visible gap opens between the two sides, showing how identical beginnings can lead to completely different outcomes through time alone. The inactive figure tries to climb a ladder labeled hard work, but it leads nowhere because the base remains flat. The growing side shows coins multiplying on their own in the background, emphasizing that the system now works independently. The camera zooms out to reveal a massive landscape of accumulated coins on one side and an almost empty plane on the other. Both figures stand together in silence, showing the final truth that wealth is not effort alone, but time multiplied by consistency.